Shillong Hyundai, located at Mao Yongrim in Shillong, has celebrated its 10 years of successful business in dealing with sale, service and spare parts of Hyundai Motor India Limited under one roof. During these 10 years, Shillong Hyundai has been association as channel partners for all major events in the city like the Shillong Autumn Festival, Cherry Blossom Festival and Shillong Fashion Society's Miss Shillong. Hyundai has also been partnering with the Shillong International Trade Fair, which is an annual event held at Madan Yau Rengkhep in Shillong. During this long journey in the last 10 years, which Hyundai started in Shillong and then moved on to Jawai and Nongpo with the hope to re-establish their Hyundai brand in the state of Meghalaya.